Good morning guys, more vlogs out from Thailand. We made it to Kanchanaburi from Bangkok last night.
Kanchanaburi.
That's what she said. I'm with Rachel. And we had a 4-hour drive last night from Bangkok on Friday, and we're here for the whole weekend. We're at Z9 Resort, and we're gonna be here for the next couple nights. I'm really excited for the resort here. Rachel wanted to come here about 2-3 months ago, so I reached out to them about a month and a half ago, and we set up a collaboration for this weekend. So I'm gonna be vlogging you guys, showing you guys Kanchanaburi, a couple of the national parks, or one of the national parks where we're gonna be checking out a waterfall in a little bit. But Z9 Resort is absolutely beautiful. So the resort is right on a lake, and like we're on these little water huts right on the lake. Also a water dam, that's what Rachel's saying, and it's absolutely a beautiful resort. Right now we're getting some breakfast, and we're gonna start our day. So these are the water huts. Our hut's like right down there. This is absolutely beautiful right on the lake, waking up to this. I absolutely love it. Don't move here, you're gonna bump me into the lake. And it looks like this is the restaurant, so we're gonna get breakfast over here. Oh my god, look at this. Eggs, some toast, cereal. Oh, let's chow down. And the vibes out here are Maldives-esque vibes, let's say, but instead of being on the ocean, it's these little water huts right on the lake. And the lake that we're on is called Sinakaran Lake. I think that's how it's pronounced, and we're heading to one of the national parks in the general area. There's a few different national parks out in this vicinity. There's Erowin National Park, there's Sayok National Park, there's also a couple other national parks, but I think we're heading to Erowin National Park because that's the closest one to us. We're gonna check out a waterfall in a couple hours, but right now we're gonna eat this breakfast that I got right in front of me, and I'm gonna show you guys a quick room tour. Back at the room, giving you guys a quick little room tour. Now I apologize in advance, our room's a little messy. We got in late last night, but here's a quick little room tour right when you walk in. Right to the left when you walk in, you have some storage space. Straight ahead, you have a table. Right over here, you have a beautiful giant bed, and Rachel. Doesn't come with the room though. In front of us, we have a TV, and right out here is my favorite part. Let's go outside. This is the beautiful balcony. Oh my goodness. And the sun rises right over there, and the sun sets, I'm assuming, right over there. And we got a couple life jackets so we can go in the lake whenever we want. Whoop whoop. Right over here, you have the bathroom, well, the sink, and then the toilet, and a stand-up shower. And we're definitely enjoying our stay out here at Z9 so far. Unfortunately, last night was so dark, so I couldn't give you guys the proper room tour. But as you see, it's absolutely beautiful. Maldives-esque, you could say. However, instead of on an ocean, we're on a lake. And I absolutely love to stay out here. Breakfast was delicious. In about 45 minutes, they're gonna be picking us up, and we're gonna be heading to one of the national parks close by. It's about a 15-20 minute drive. I think it's called Erowin National Park, and we're gonna check out the waterfall. Whew. Views for days. After you?
20 minutes.
20 minutes.
Let's have some Allen
Okay.
So there's a lot of museums, a lot of places that represents, you know, Thai history during the World War II. There's also some ancient castles and temples. And if you like to go to, like, you know, cuddle with the tigers and all that, there are places for everything and everyone.
Fun fact, thank you.
It's 100 baht, but for foreigners 300.
So the entrance is about 100 baht per person. That's like $3-ish. And for
not for you though.
For foreigners like me, it's 300 baht. What the heck? It's like 10 bucks. Gosh, not cool.
Hey.
Not cool. Come on, foreigners deserve love too.
We love you. That's why we give you extra care and extra love.
By charging us more. Alright, whatever. And after about a 20-minute ride, we made it to Erowin National Park. Again, this area has tons of different national parks in the general area, but Erowin is the closest one to Z9 Resort, and we're gonna explore Erowin National Park for the day, let's say. You look like you're ready for the winter. So there's a ton of shops around here. It looks like there's coffee shops, a lot of souvenir shops, but we could just call the resort. They'll pick us up. It's only 20 minutes away, and we're gonna explore Erowin National Park and the waterfall right now. I have no idea where we're going, so we're just slowly walking. This is accommodation waterfall.
Yeah, exhibition.
Exhibition souvenir.
The waterfall, I guess, is that way.
Should we just follow? Everyone's going that way.
Yeah.
Okay, let's follow the pack. Doop, 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 doop. doop, doop, doop. You can see all the shops over here. Foods, coffee, souvenirs for days. More souvenirs, more souvenirs, more souvenirs, more souvenirs, more souvenirs. Yeah, I think this is the restrooms. It's like toilet, 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 and everyone's getting dropped off here or using the toilet. I really think we passed the original start where they dropped us off. It said waterfall this way, and we decided to go to the toilet and not even use it. So let's go back this way. Yeah, tons of people are walking out from that way. It might be this way though, because it says waterfall. What? Ah, this is where we were dropped off. All right, so waterfalls this way.
Can you see that? That's a big, cute sign said waterfall.
And we decided to go to the bathroom in the wrong way.
Waterfall has got like 7 levels, depends on like how high you'd like to climb. Like
wow.
tier 1, how many meters?
Okay.
Shall we go to?
Let's just go. Let's just go, yeah. Boom. All right, here's the start of the waterfall. So it's about 500 meters to the waterfall, they're saying, from the start of it. However, there's so many different tiers, different levels that Rachel wants to go down. So yeah, we're gonna keep walking. I got a 40-pound bag in my back. She's got a 5-pound bag on her back, so big difference. And
hey,
see how tired we get.
A man with the muscles. You can do it, right?
Shh, let's not tell everyone that. And it's a good sign when you can hear the water. We literally started hearing the water about a minute ago and we could see the water, so the waterfall should be around here somewhere.
Right there!
Let's go, let's go! Come on, run, 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 run! So this is tier number 1, Lai Kulang, which means flow back to the nest, you said?
Yeah.
Okay.
Flow back to the origin.
Everyone's getting their shots.
The next tier is called Wang Matcha.
One matcha.
Wang Matcha. Matcha means fish.
Matcha, like
Yeah.
green fish?
Matcha.
Matcha.
Yeah, it
Okay.
means fish, but Wang means castle.
Okay.
So fish castle.
Let's go! Kind of reminds me of the waterfall out in Lang Prabang, but yeah, right now we're heading to the second stage or the second tier, which is matcha, not matcha, but it's nothing
Fish castle.
Fish castle, nothing to do with green tea or matcha. Fish castle. Do not feed the monkeys 500 baht.
I can still feed you, right?
Yeah.
Can I eat without? That's the
Level 1 right there. Level 2 is right up there, it looks like.
in 100 meters.
100, okay, let's go. Level 2. And welcome to level 2, Wang Matcha. There's a lot more people here.
And fishing!
And fishes down there. A lot of big fish. Wow, this is beautiful. You can see some people in the waterfall right over there. Look at that photo shoot right over there. Ah, this is beautiful, this waterfall. Wow. There's tons of different tourists. We stood there for like 1 minute. We're like, there's way too many people here. So we're gonna head to level 3 right now, which I think is right around the block. I don't know if I could say that, right around the block. And after a short walk, this is level 3 waterfall. There isn't too many people here, maybe because the space isn't that big, but this one is beautiful. Looks like we got a couple of people that are gonna swim. Are you gonna go swimming?
Not at this tier.
No, not okay. Wow. Alright, so this is officially the 4th level. Oh yeah, you can see everyone down there getting their shots, swimming. Oh, that's beautiful though. Smaller waterfall, but still nice though, eh? Alright, we're out quick. 450 meters and then we're till the next level. Ah, more stairs. We're lost. We have no idea where we're going at all now. Level 5 was a bad idea. I can't even breathe right now. I think I'm gonna pass out.
Alright, thanks. Hey guys, welcome to the vlog.
Oh, this is a much longer walk than other waterfalls. This better be worth it. Alright, so we're walking past a waterfall. I can't find any level 5 sign. Level 5, where are you? I can't find you. After 7 hours later, we made it to level 5. Woo, woo. Look at that, there's so many people here. Getting photos, getting photos. Can we just chill here?
You can chill here. I want to explore a little bit.
All right, let's go 6 and 7. Let's go. 5-5. So again, there's a lot of people here. We're gonna check out the last two levels, level 6 and 7, because we could smell it close by. Well, Rachel's saying once you get to level 4 or 5-ish, I gotta be careful. You start losing a path. There's like no path. You're literally on rocks now.
Why are you not telling me how far away you are?
Because it's probably right there, hopefully. We'll see. 6th level, let's go. The light is shining. All right, so we got level 6 or level 7. Let's check out 6. Woo! This is level 6. It's a lot higher, you can see. It's all the way down there. There's like another stage, and another stage, right up to here. And we're like right around the block from level 7. I hope. Hey, you can see all the other waterfalls up there. There's one here, one there, one there. This really feels like Lang Prabang in Laos. Let's check it out. Level 7. After a quick little visit to level 6, we're gonna head to level 7. So we gotta cross this and we're to level 7. This is the final stage, babe. Peach is waiting for us on the other side. Mario reference. It's really cold. I honestly always pick like the worst time to vlog, when I have like one hand, I'm balancing on like one foot, trying not to slip on rocks. Like right now, going up this tiny wet steps. But we're almost to level 7, supposedly it's right up here, we made it. Please tell me we made it.
Yeah, we made it.
Oh, my goodness. After such a long hike, some of the shadiest steps and shadiest trails, we made it to level 7. It's right over here. End of trail, level 7. What do you think?
Worth it.
Worth it? Really? Okay. There's a lot of people, but it's kind of cool. You could like slide down these waterfalls to the next one, which everyone's doing, and yeah, there's a lot of people, but worth it. It's so loud here, you can't even hear you. Totally worth it. I'm hoping there's an elevator to go back to level 1, but yeah, we're gonna hang out here a little bit longer and then head back to level 1 shortly. Worth it. Totally worth it. It's literally like a slip and slide everywhere. Level 7's pretty cool, but we're gonna get out of here right now. We have to trek all the way back to level 1. And yeah, I wish there was an elevator or something here. Whew, more clothing, look at that. So Rachel was saying all the clothing back here, which you're gonna pass in random spots on the hike, is for the spirits. Supposedly there's spirits or some souls or people passed away around this area. So what they did was—
Or in the tree.
Or in the tree. And they basically put the clothing out there for those souls. So basically those souls could wear different clothing, they can have different clothing to wear. And yeah, it's something spiritual out here in Thailand. The souls from the tree? Ah, okay.
It's like tree ghosts.
Tree ghosts, all right. The more you know. All right, we made it back to level 1. It was such an incredible day at Erawan National Park, at the Erawan Waterfalls. I didn't expect to go from level 1 to level 2, seeing a 3rd waterfall, 4th, 5th, 6th, to the 7th one, which is the last one. Did not expect to do this much trekking today, but it was an incredible day. We're getting picked up right now by the shuttle or the van, and we're heading back to Z9. Oh. Kapung kap. All right, so we made it back to Z9 Resort. We're hoping we catch a sunset in the next about 45 minutes. But right now we're gonna get a quick late lunch at the restaurant and relax and hopefully get a good sunset. Okay, perfect. Thank you. Oh my gosh, we are such a mess here. You ready for dinner? All right, let's go. So unfortunately the sunset couldn't pan out as well as we wanted to. They said that you had to take a kayak around the mountain and supposedly you can catch the sunset, but it was kind of cloudy and we didn't get as good of the sunset. Got a good drone flight though, and we're heading to dinner right now. It's so beautiful out here, but the camera can't really tell.
Doesn't do the justice at all.
Not at all. And all we did was sit in the room, watch some Aero, got a good drone flight up and relax. Again, the sunset wasn't as good. It was too cloudy, but looking really forward to dinner right now here at Z9. And here is our dinner spot for the night. Oh, they arranged this table for us?
Yeah.
We're the reserve table? Okay. This is how we roll. All right, so the first dish in our dinner here, we got spaghetti with this incredible view. And we got some steak for dinner, main course. Here's a live taste test. Delicious. That's bright. Steak is good. Highly recommend the ribeye if you're coming to Z9 Resort. Kapun kap. Thank you. Alright guys, we made it back to the room. Food coma galore! The food was absolutely delicious, and our stay the last night and our second night and final night right here in Z9 has been absolutely incredible. So if you guys are looking for a kind of a getaway out of Bangkok, it's only about 3 hours to 4 hours depending on the traffic to get to Kanchanaburi, but I highly recommend Kanchanaburi, this general area. There's tons of national parks in the area, and there's supposedly tons of different waterfalls. So if you guys are into the waterfalls, definitely come out to Kanchanaburi, as there's a lot of history around Kanchanaburi, and it's an incredible and beautiful spot if you guys are into nature. So thank you guys so much for watching today's vlog, and again, it's the start of my next Thailand vlog series out here. So as everyone voted on my Instagram community, they voted for me to go island hopping out in Thailand. So tomorrow we're heading back to Bangkok, and the day after tomorrow I'm heading on an island hopping part 2 vlog series, which everyone in my Instagram community voted for. So what I did was pick 3 different islands. We're gonna be island hopping at 3 different spots, which I'm really excited about. I absolutely love my island vibe. So make sure you guys hit the like button, comment down below if you guys have any questions, and make sure you guys hit the notification bell so you guys are notified for my next vlogs coming out, which is island hopping part 2 out in Thailand. And I hope you guys enjoyed this quick vlog out here at Z9 Resort in Kanchanaburi. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys island hopping in Thailand.